How to set price alerts on CoinGecko. Hello, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can set price alerts on CoinGecko. And to do that, the first step is to log in into your CoinGecko account, all right, through your mobile app. And once you're logged in on the home page, automatically you'll be brought to the market page where you'd see so many coins. Okay, then the next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen where you'd see some tabs like portfolio, search, explore, profile. Ensure you click on the search icon and search out the coin you would like to set a price alert for. So after searching out the coin, once you found the coin, click on it and you would wait for the page to load. So on the page, you would see some tabs like overview, info, markets, portfolio, news, etc. And at the top part of the screen, next to the name of the coin, you'll see other tabs. You'll see a magnifying glass icon, which stands for the search icon, the revert icon, and then a notification bell. Click on that bell. Then set um set your target price by clicking on the box here. How much is your target price? All right. So I'm just going to do that right away. And then once you have your target price, set the frequency to one time, or if you want recurring alert, choose the repeat button. All right. Do you want a one time alert or a recurring alert? So you would receive a notification every time the price of one throne hits this particular amount that I've entered in, and then click add price alert, click save, and then just like that, my price alert is set. Okay, that is just how it works. Very cool, very easy to use, and very simple. You can do this for other coins, not just the one I chose. All right, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.